those zebras?
Zebra.
I have a lake.
Straight ahead, zebra.
Zebra. Here. Zebra. How much do you think? Can't even hear us.
Just let him be. He's not
Hey,
talking.
Mom, I saw the lake.
That's still a win.
Mom, I saw a lake. Hi, zebras. I want to pet you, but I can't.
Hi,
Look at the antelope there. Big antelope.
Wow. There's an
Right next to the
antelope
zebra.
there.
That's so cool.
Hello, my favorite animals.
Oliver. Bring it down a notch, for Pete's sake.
There's a few of them. There's even a female there.
That's cool.
It's like here.
I don't know. I guess.
So we have three centers. Another one is the Sambu Conservancy, another one is Masai Mara, and this one here.
Okay.
So here we keep permanently injured raptors, but different species. We have vultures, we have elks, we have owls.
Oh, that's a vulture there, right there.
So I'm going to take you through. Like in total we have
Where'd you put that?
30,
Don't say anything. Keep it in here.
30 injured raptors.
You have how many?
30.
30.
Yeah.
Wow.
And we have released like 6 times of owls. Yeah. So
Oh,
I'm going
wow.
to take you see closely in the enclosure.
Thank you.
Like here we have African white-back vultures.
They're so big.
They're so big.
Look at it,
You
Ollie.
can take it. Yeah. See the. So we have African white-back vulture. This is the typical African vulture that we have. The current population is about 22,000. The population is still decreasing due to the poisoning.
Oh.
Yeah. This is the major threat that they are facing.
How are they getting poisoned?
People are enticing the dead carcass with
Oh.
this diclofenac, DDT,
Mm.
a kind of pesticide.
Yeah.
So you know the vulture, they are scavengers. They like eating the rotten stuff.
Mm-hmm.
When they walk up,
There's another type of vulture.
so we have a hooded vulture. It doesn't see clearly. It was being rescued in Nanyuki
Mhm.
to poisoning.
Oh.
Affected one eye, so it doesn't see.
Oh, it's blind.
Yeah, it's very blind. So that's the hooded vulture. The reason why I call it hooded, it has this like hood in the head.
Oh.
Still a juvenile.
Yeah, he looks small.
Yeah,
Is he supposed to have fur on his, or feathers on his neck?
yeah. When it's fully mature, it has white.
Interesting. That's cute.
Do you know vulture? What's a vulture?
Yeah, I know vultures.
Oh, is it your first time to see the vultures?
Yeah.
Oh. So I'm going to get you inside to see some
Okay.
that we have in the enclosure.
Thank you.
So here we have the African spotted wood owl. Hello, buddies. They're very shy. They're over there. So the problem with them
Oh,
have
look
the
there, right
fractured
there,
wings.
on the corner.
Oh, like ours. Hi, cuties. Oh, they're cute.
So we rescued the people with different birds. And that's a real. Look in Kenya, people have different perfection.
Oh,
Yeah, they have a bad always.
yeah. The
Like in
black one.
Naivasha, I do believe that, but I don't want that. I don't believe so. As for me.
Mm.
But in my different tribes in Kenya, they have this perception of calling that they have a bad omen. That's why they are being killed. Yeah, so we rescued one of them that was beaten by children thoroughly.
No. Oh. We think owls are lucky.
Yeah, they're very beautiful. So they're very innocent. You don't have to kill them.
Yeah. They're so
There's
sweet.
only 2 you have there?
Yeah.
2.
2.
Yeah.
I found a real one.
But we have different kind of species of owls in our enclosure. We have African hood owl, we have Makinda owl, we have ferox owl. So I'll take you to see
These are
some.
huge vultures. Look at it.
Ooh. That one is called leopard face vulture. The world's largest vulture.
He's like,
Oh, look at that yawn. That's
he's
a broken
very
back.
big. Oh, yeah. And even up top.
Vulture. That's
Oh yeah, wow, that's a lot of them.
Is that a stork? He's up there. He's
The store.
No, it's a vulture.
but behind.
Yeah,
They're
we have
different
the
types.
European white stock.
He's on his knees.
Yeah, it's a migrant.
Oh,
Oh,
that one's standing.
He's-
The
he's
one
on his.
sitting is a vulture, right?
Yeah, that's a vulture. The pels, we have leopard fish. We have also crazy horse.
And these all get along together.
Yeah, they're very fishable with them. Wow.
They're pretty. They're so big, aren't they?
Yeah, that's the juvenile African fisher.
Yeah, it just flew. Right there.
They come to say hello to. We have another African fisher in there, pleasure. And say hello.
So where do you let them, when do you release them in the wild then?
We're not going to release them because they are permanent injured. Some they can't fly.
Even this one.
Even this one here.
Oh, so these aren't recovering. These ones are living here.
Yes. We have a marabou stock,
Mhm.
the world ugliest bird.
He's so cute, though. He's
Oh, right there
Sleep
behind.
under
yeah,
the
he's
car.
sleeping on his knees. That's the one. Isn't he cute?
The ones who like to eat maggots.
Yeah. So the white stock is a migrant bird coming from Germany. So it was eaten by car in Nairobi.
Oh.
We named it Leipzig because it was born under the chimney
Mm.
in Germany.
Well,
Yeah. So leopard is the highest flying bird.
this one here.
Yes, even for the Europeans.
Oh, wow.
Can take a picture.
He's so cute.
Yeah, it is very good.
He's so big.
Yeah.
What are these ones?
Hello,
Wow, look at
guys.
those. I didn't notice those.
Oh, so cute.
Fishes of ours, you know?
I'm just going to keep guessing spotted eagle. Is it?
Yes.
That's. Oh,
We still have babies. We have mama inside the box. We have papa looking after the mother.
So these ones are not, you going to release them or no?
These are
Look how big
their
the things
chicks. We are going to release them. They are about 5 months old.
oh.
So we have released 6 times.
How big it, oh, how
Look
big
at them
its wings are.
blinking.
But look at that one's wings, one on all the way on the right. It's huge.
It's baby.
They're still baby.
They're babies.
Yeah.
He's just puffed up now.
But we are planning to release them very soon. And so the mother is still incubating the eggs over there. So the box.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, we
Oh,
have
she's
mama.
inside.
So the importance of owl is control the rodent population.
Yes.
Yeah. So you have mice, you can try to put net boxes in your compound maybe to attract the owls. They come
We
at
put
night.
one.
We did. We put
We put
one.
one in our house, but it doesn't come, but it's just like on another, it stays on another tree.
What species?
I think
It's
it's
a
a spotted one.
spotted eagle, yeah.
Yeah.
Ollie, you listen to the sound they're making.
Look at this one. This one's more.
Tell me I'm missing a
It's the
sign.
smallest one I've ever seen in my life.
Come to my house. Come to my house.
Yeah,
Don't be
puppy.
scared. Don't be scared of me. You don't like my mask. I don't like it either.
Hey, Mom, look.
Hmm?
Hey, Dad, look.
They're so cute.
Oh, this cute one. Look at
Hello,
this one. Which one is
cuties.
this one?
This is the African hood owl. They're commonly found in the forest. So we rescued from Namibia after it was bitten by people due to this perception.
Oh no, who could hurt an owl? Oh, angel face.
Hello, buddies.
Oh, you're the cutest.
Have you seen the blue eyes?
They
That
fly
looks-
or they don't fly?
They don't fly.
That looks like one of those,
Broken wings, broken leg.
oh,
So this is a
Angel.
permanent home now.
Yeah, they're stepping in from.
you are the sweetest
Very nicely
thing.
built, by the way.
Yeah.
This is what we should get for Uchi or something.
That's what I was just thinking. I'm like, Uchi would love
Or
it.
a parrot.
Oh, I just want to cuddle that little owl.
This place because of the genetic because they come to attack them. Like the other day, it killed the sparrowhawk that had here, a male one.
Who did?
Janet cats.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Oh, the cat.
The Janet cat used to come to attack them at night.
But-
So we put all these things like cover.
Oh, the mashing.
Yeah, the machine. This is the great sparrowhawk. You can see through here. We don't want to disturb them because they are starting to breed.
Oh, they're
We
cute.
have male and female.
Oh, wow.
You see that one?
Yeah, it's on top of the tire in there. You can see.
This one.
Inside the box, the man is inside the box.
Oh, gee whiz. Hi, cutie pie.
But I love this
They're
one.
so big.
An eagle.
No, I missed this
No,
one.
bald eagle.
No.
It has feathers.
It's the African fish eagle. It resembles like a bald eagle, right?
Oh, it's up top up there.
So these ones you are going to learn out or no?
So we are not going to use them because these are broken wings. And the one was being beaten by other African fish eagle because they are very territorial. So it was attacked and destroyed the crop.
So do you have to clean the nest or not really?
Yeah, we used to clean them.
No, I'm asking, do you have to clean it often or no?
No, not often. Don't go closely.
Don't go close.
They get stressed out. Come behind the tree, guys. So we're a bit farther away.
So African fish eagle, they commonly their diet is only fish. That's their diet. So they have these soft barbs
Mm-hmm.
used to catch the slippery prey like fish.
Oh,
Yeah, and they are coated talons.
That's
Clever.
what I just
so we don't disturb.
It's the ogre buzzards.
Oh, buzzards.
Yeah.
They've
Take
got
a
big.
picture.
They've got big pants, big legs.
You want to see the buzzards? Come and see the buzzard. Hello, buddies. As you can look, the size female is more larger than male. 12 birds.
Is that the female?
With the jerseys,
Mhm.
and that one's a male. So we have two different species of ogre buzzard. We have the one that has dark moth the
Mhm.
body
Mhm.
with the white belly. That's the different one. So they're
Nice.
commonly found when they're perching in the tree, just waiting for the rodents like mice and rats. Hello, buddy. Hello.
They look more active.
Yeah. So they just all because we used to train them on how to hunt, but it was beaten by another
Oh.
and then put it inside.
Is
the
this one blinded
Makinda.
one eye?
Yeah. It was also
Oh.
beaten by another Makinda owl.
They're so violent. I didn't know.
I like the color. It's like leopard.
So pretty.
Yeah. They are found in the central part of Kenya, Mount Kenya. Hello, buddies. Hello.
Oh, look at this one. This is a pretty one.
Oh, wow.
Wow, this is the Phil. We name it Phil because the person who rescued Phil was called Philip.
Oh, she's gorgeous.
So he fell down. It was about 3 days old from nest.
Oh.
So we raised Phil here. So it's an imprint. So being raised by human doesn't know anything about the world, doesn't know how to hunt.
Yeah, this one can't be let go.
Oh.
So do they eat a lot of food?
They eat, they all chick. That's the food.
What's their lifespan?
This one's about 5.
5 years.
Yeah.
Oh, that's it.
Oh.
It's big.
That one
So
just
it's
needs
the
a cuddle.
largest owl in Africa. Ferox
Is it
eagle
friendly?
owl.
Is it people friendly?
Yeah, the thing.
Is it bigger than that one?
It's the same species.
Oh, okay.
So this is the male, that's the female. It's the future girlfriend to Phil, but they don't like each other.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
So Phil act as an educational bird here in our raptor center. So most of the people come here to cut Phil. So you're going to cut Phil. Close your
Oh. We want to.
eyes. So you want to hold him?
Yes. Too much. I want to hold him all the way to my house.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, this is the female?
Yeah, this is the female. We name it Tina. So Tina is physically fit but mentally ill also. It's the same like imprint one. So they don't know how to hunt. She likes to sleep during the day.
That's
All the
You
fair.
know
Yeah.
that all nocturnal birds, they are very active at night. Hello guys.
She's pretty.
Yeah.
She's big.
Yeah. Oh, Phil. Hello, Tina.
Still cute. she's done with us now.
So I want to take you.
Hi,
inside
cutie
the
pie.
vulture. Are you ready?
You're too cute.
Yeah, need to carry camera. You got a camera on?
Yep, got it.
Rolling.
So baby, sorry.
Thank
Take one. Yeah, yeah.
Here, you're a lefty.
Here it is. Close the door.
Thanks, Tanea.
Thank you.
It's nice and cool in here, actually, isn't it?
Yeah. It's a good place. You can understand because we have the naughty vulture here. Named Hamid. Hello, you're just waiting for me. Look at you. Don't be silly, yeah? Come on. Come
Do they move out of your way or not really?
on. Like playing
Oh, they're
with me.
so big.
Let's go.
Nobody does.
You'll be very hard.
Come inside. So we're going to use the as to prevent not to attack you.
Oh, there's one up
We
top.
have Hamid here. Go to Sumut.
Come on in and shut the door, guys.
Can hold it closely.
Which ones are nice?
Oh,
None?
watch out.
You stay back here. Stay
Stay
behind me.
behind us, Oliver. Oliver, come here.
Behind.
Won't play with your leg here. Hey. Hey, don't be silly. So we have Rupel vulture, that's a Rupel. And Lappet face.
Wow.
Wow is right.
Ooh, look the wingspan. So Rupel is the highest flying vulture. It can go for about 32
Oh, it's coming.
kilometers in altitude above the sea level.
How high up?
32 kilometers.
32 kilometers.
Really? Like an
Yes,
airplane?
Yes.
Holy moly. That's gorgeous.
So the wingspan is about 3 meters long.
Holy smokes.
So they're all cliff nesters.
So they like being up.
Yes. For the white-back vulture, they like building their nests in the tree. Oh, come on, Hamid. This Hamid with an eye.
Oh,
It
okay.
was born like that. Mother died because of the poisoning. I think the poison affected the eyes.
Development.
Yeah. So it was born unfertile. So we raised Hamid here since Kenya center. Come on, because you so much is not on the So all vultures they are bald head, meaning they don't have feathers in the head due to it's a act like it's part of hygienic.
Mm.
So they used to clean themselves when they're eating that stuff. Oh. So they have strong acid in their stomachs, so the germs they don't affect them. That acid it neutralizes the pathogens in their stomachs.
Mm.
It's not like human being when they're eating roasting stuff. They
Right.
tend to die.
They eat the dirty.
Yeah.
So what do you feed them in captivity then?
Used to feed them with beef.
Mm-hmm. Do you have to let it rot or they eat it when it's...
When they don't give them the rotten thing. But when they are in the wild, they eat rotten stuff.
Okay.
This was silly.
Wow.
Look, the wingspan. You can take a
What's
picture.
wrong with my arms?
That is so pretty.
Oh my
Look at
god.
that flex.
That is flex.
Very happy to see you.
Dude, that makes a wind and a half.
Let me see.
So for the lapid, they used to feed hard skin, like tendons. This soft meat. Let me see. T. She has sharp beaks like panda, yeah? Can cut you off.
Well,
Jonathan, he used to
hi,
like
Jonathan.
Hi.
Acha nikuangalilie.
What do you guys think? Did you know this place was here? It's pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
The one with the long beak is interesting.
Oh, it stood up.
That's Nairobi stock.
Oh, no, they're all moving in.
Conversion.
They're really big. Like, you don't think they're that big.
No. Stink.
Mm.
Oh, there's this meat here somewhere. So sad, like they're poison now. People are just like, you know.
Well, they probably put rat poison and then the birds eat it out.
Well, she says it's from pesticide.
They poison them with pesticides.
It's hot, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just go like this, just breathe. Take a couple of breaths, it's fine.
You want to try?
Yeah. No, that's all right. We'll let them be.
It's Jonathan. He knows Jonathan and me.
They're friends.
Yeah, they're very noisy. Hello. Shake that. Mitty.
You can have this one if you need.
He's not interested today.
Yeah.
That's all right.
So she's the oldest.
Oh, that one's oldest?
Yeah, she's 9.
Oh, wow.
How long do they live for? How many years do they live for?
They live up to 50 years.
50.
Yeah. Because they're only able to breed 16 times in their life.
Okay.
Only one egg a year.
Oh, wow.
Could be Philip or something.
No, it wasn't. It's just a weird number. Okay.
Good.
So, thank you.
I'll go get fill out so you can wait.
Okay.
Thank you.
Karibu.